If it's high performance, it's Tramontina Pro. Want to see how? Only Tramontina Pro makes professional tools with the signature of a brand that has been the right partner for doing things well for over 100 years. In practice, that makes all the difference. The Tramontina Pro line is innovative, sturdy, and delivers high performance. These are hand tools made of chrome vanadium steel and high-strength metal organizers. Everything is designed to offer maximum performance. The Tramontina Pro line undergoes heat treatment to ensure strength and a long service life. The automated process reflects the innovation and excellence in everything we do. Electrostatic powder painting creates a highly adherent layer that protects against corrosion. But there is even more. The quality of the Tramontina Pro line is born in our Innovation, Research and Development Center. We use high technology in production and in quality control, with specific tests for every tool in our laboratories. Technology also helps Tramontina Pro deal with its industrial waste, treating effluents and harvesting rainwater for a variety of uses. Such practices ensure positive impact in all segments, including automotive, industrial, electrical, agriculture, and aviation. Tramontina Pro offers a complete line ranging from traditional tools like hammers, pliers, wrenches, and screwdrivers to modular organizers that include cabinets, panels, workbenches, rolling tool cabinets, and more. This also includes the Smart System solution, which offers highly secure storage technology with access profile management and control via electronic locks. To ensure that everything fits perfectly into the environment, the 3D simulator aids the assembly and creation of your workshop. For jobs that require precision and torque control, Tramontina Pro offers a wide range of torque ranges, essential for tasks that require strict control when tightening nuts and bolts. For this reason, Tramontina has its own torque laboratory, recognized by the relevant calibration and certification entities. In the electrical segment, the line of insulated tools complies with international manufacturing standards. They are suitable for work on electrical grids of up to 1000 volts AC and 1500 volts DC, also meeting the requirements for maintenance of hybrid and electrical vehicles. All tools undergo strict quality controls to ensure user safety. The electrical installation test certificate can be obtained from the Tramontina website. Safety is a priority in the line of non-sparking tools developed for locations with explosion and fire hazards. Made of beryllium copper alloy, it is ideal for use in petrochemical plants, alcohol mills, and other applications. For height work, we comply with NR 35, which regulates work higher than 2 meters from the ground, keeping all tools properly secured in accordance with the requirements. Tramontina Pro is always close to professionals. The team of specialized technical promoters and mobile showrooms caters strategically to all regions of Brazil. This all makes Tramontina Pro the largest manufacturer of hand tools in Latin America. Tramontina Pro, partnership for doing things right.